Alright people, we are at the Comfort Inn in Waynesboro, Virginia. We are staying in room 305 tonight, so we're going to take a look at this hotel room. So you enter the hotel room, obviously it's an interior corridor. One of the most interesting things I've noticed about this, as soon as you come in, there's this little cubby hole right to the right, and right inside your door you have your microwave and fridge, which we'll take a look at real quick. Again, interior corridors. There's the fire plan. Microwave. There's your fridge. As you come further in the room, you have your bathroom, which is actually really big. Towels down there. Very bright lights over the mirror, which still promotes okay lighting for shaving. There's your amenities, the sink. Newer toilet. And in here is the shower, which we're going to see how it is. That's interesting right there. That little bezel is like crooked. Shower has very good pressure. Now we'll go out and look at the rest of the room. This is a I believe these are queens, they may be doubles, 2-bedroom. And as you can tell, it's very modern looking. You have this piece of furniture right here, which looks like a bench or a shelf. You can set your clothes there. LG flat screen TV. You have a chest of drawers here. A nice desk for workspace. Let's see how comfortable the bed is. This one, I do not believe is pillow top, but this bed here is pillow top and much softer. It's weird how they have two different types of beds in the same hotel room. You have a phone and alarm clock on the nightstand. A Bible and an actual phone book. That's bizarre, a phone book. You don't see those anymore. And I would show you the view outside, but it's dark. It's a nice view of the mountains, but you can't see because it's dark. Over here we have a Zach hiding out. He's going to help me as we tear down this bed here in a minute. A chair here. This is nice. The room is, so far, appears to be very clean, but it's funny, in these bed teardowns, I've found at some very nice hotels, it's not very nice under the bed sheets. So we're going to see if this one passes the test. It looks comfortable. Let's pull the sheets off. So far, all I see is one crumb. I don't see, do you see any hairs?
Stain. Not really any hairs. I don't know what that is.
This is a mattress cover. Oh, it is not a pillow top mattress.
It's just a mattress cover.
It just has a mattress cover on it, and I assume the other bed doesn't. Okay. But I will have to say, I mean, no hairs, because I've pulled back some sheets on some beds in some hotels, and it's disgusting. So this one is acceptably clean. How much did we pay for this room?
I think it was around 150.
It was 150 for this room?
Yep. Right.
A little bit on the high end, but then I don't really consider this like a totally budget hotel. In conclusion, this is a decent hotel room, but I feel the price could be a little bit better. Hope you enjoyed it. That'll be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.